Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a long time, but I wanted to do a little update. Sorry that I look a mess. I have been working on the house all day. It's probably extremely echoey. I'm recording on my phone and it's been raining for 2 days straight, so my hair is just, everything's a mess right now. But I just wanted to update you guys on everything that's been going on. So I did purchase a home about 2 weeks ago now. I took a few days off of work to work on it. So here's what my living room looks like so far. This carpet that's back here actually used to be all throughout here. My boyfriend and I, we painted the walls gray. They were all white. And we also ripped out the carpet in here. And as you can see, I started ripping the carpet out in the hallway. Excuse me. So it's dark in here. This room actually doesn't have any light except for the lamp that I randomly bought at Walmart last minute. So we ripped out all the carpet in here. I removed all the staples by hand, and we have so many bags of carpet and stuff out in the garage. Here's what I'm currently working on. I ripped this out yesterday. This is the hallway to the bedrooms. And this is my current situation. I'm working on the baby's room. It's my niece. She's living with me. So I'm working on her room. I did not have a baby randomly. So it's obviously, as you can see, it's going to be pink. It's going to be a unicorn themed room. It's extremely pink in here. So my goal for today is going to be rip out the carpet in here, start hanging some of the decorations on the wall, and hopefully just make it more like a room. I'm planning on this room being like maybe 70% done today, so hopefully I can get all of that done. But this is what we're working with right now. The lighting in here is pretty poor, so I'm going to hopefully get a new lamp for the ceiling. My mother is also going to be living with me. It is my house, but they're going to be living with me. I have a very small family, so gotta look out for each other. So basically, I just have stuff laying everywhere. Here in this room, the previous owner had a railing for the bed, which is cool because my mom is going to need that. She is not in the greatest condition right now, so we're going to use that for her, leave it there. I'm probably not going to paint this room. I am going to rip out the carpet. I'm about to paint this white. I got this at a garage sale. I'm just going to paint this white and put it in the baby's room. I'm going to obviously replace these. These are pretty outdated. I want my mom to have like a updated kind of modern room, so obviously I have to clean the walls. I bought new covers for the outlets, the light switch. So I'm not going to paint this room. I'm just going to clean it up and rip the carpet out, and then we'll figure it out from there. And then the next thing I want to do after I finish down here, again, we have an issue with the lighting here, but here is my stairs to my upper level, and this obviously needs work. So after I'm done here, I'm going to paint these walls the same color as my living room, which is this gray color, and then I'm going to rip out this blue carpet from the stairs, and then hopefully the stairs aren't in terrible condition underneath. I know that my hair looks crazy. I know that there is one stair that feels like it is broken underneath, so I am going to figure out how to fix that. But I'm hoping that I can just rip the carpet out, stain the tops, and then maybe paint the fronts white or gray. But I will show you guys the upstairs once I actually get to working there. But so far, this is the progress that I've made. I will do a more thorough video after everything. I did take pictures and little video clips of the progress. So this right now is just an update. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not already to see how everything's coming together, and I will do an actual video, like sitting down with my actual filming camera. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know what's going on and why I have been away for so long. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and I will keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys, excuse me, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.